Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Blockgen channel. As you can see, it's still altcoin winter here. Nothing much happening in the markets. So today we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at one of the projects that we mentioned briefly in the first video in this series. So today we're looking at Matrix AI Network, which is an ambitious new project which dubs itself the Intelligent Blockchain Platform. Matrix is building the first intelligent blockchain, an AI-enabled autonomous and self-optimizing network. Matrix is seeking to make advancements in usability, speed, security, and governance. With respect to usability, anyone who has tried to use smart contracts, dApps, or even send a transaction is aware that blockchain has a long way to go before mass adoption can become a reality. Matrix allows anyone to create smart contracts on their platform without any knowledge of programming. Matrix AI creates smart contracts from instructions given in your natural language based on prototype concepts and historical data. In terms of security, Matrix blockchain has a built-in AI-powered security engine that will identify vulnerabilities in smart contracts. Matrix blockchain is currently projected to be capable of 1,000 transactions per second, but has a stated goal of 1,000,000 transactions per second. And this is accomplished via a hybrid proof-of-stake, proof-of-work consensus algorithm that randomly selects delegate nodes to perform proof-of-work computations and share in rewards. Matrix also has a governance mechanism which is built into the protocol layer that dynamically updates based on external conditions and prevents the risk of a hard fork each time an update is required. Matrix, which symbol is MAN, completed its ICO in January, selling 150 million tokens for 36 cents a token. They have not yet listed on any centralized exchanges, but are available on EtherDelta and IDEX for around $1 a token at the time of this recording. We believe this is very bullish as the token value has increased by over 275% during a bear market and without being listed on any centralized exchange. Exchange listings are supposed to be announced sometime in March, so big catalyst coming there in our opinion. In fact, on most days, Matrix is the highest volume token traded on IDEX. Currently, there are 250 million Matrix tokens, 150 million sold in the ICO, and 100 million reserved for the foundation. The max supply is 1 billion tokens, and that does sound like a large number, but most of those will not be released for a few years. 750 million tokens have not yet been created at all, and will only be created once the proprietary blockchain is actually launched. 40% of tokens will go to miners for proof-of-work rewards, 15% to the foundation for the team, R&D, and marketing, and 20% of tokens will be issued in one or more additional token sales. The additional token sales will raise capital for further research and development once the proprietary blockchain is launched. As you can see here, it includes things like development of ASICs and additional applications for the Matrix blockchain. The basic infrastructure of the Matrix network is due to be launched in Q3 of this year, and there are multiple major milestones which are projected to be reached over the next 12 months. The individuals who are part of the Matrix development team, foundation, and their financial backers are one of the primary reasons we're excited about this project. The chief AI scientist is a professor at Tsinghua University School of Software, and he has a PhD from Carnegie Mellon University, which is one of the best AI programs in the world. He's also a valued NVIDIA partnership professor, and Bill Lee, the chief network architect, is a leading expert on communication and integrated circuit design, and he was a major contributor to 4G and 5G standards in China. Tim Shi, the chief chip scientist, is the principal system architect at AMD, and was responsible for tech partnerships with companies and universities throughout China. He was also previously senior chip design engineer at Samsung Semiconductor and held positions at Synopsys and ARM. Two of the members of the Matrix Foundation were executives at Legend Holdings, which is now known as Lenovo Group, and that includes one of the co-founders and the former CFO. There are also some interesting connections with respect to the backers and members of the team. F&H, which is a private equity fund founded by John Wu, who is the former chief technology officer at Alibaba, is an angel investor in the Matrix project. Also, Matrix is the exclusive blockchain and AI partner for the Belt and Road Research and Development Center, which is a Chinese state-owned enterprise. Remember, as always, everything said on this channel is my personal opinion only and is intended for entertainment and educational purposes. It is not financial advice. Please remember, this is also just a basic introduction to this project. It should serve only as a starting point for you to do your own research. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell for notifications of future videos. Thank you for watching.